Vidit Jamwal's Star Sanak Hope Under Siege is set to release on October 15 on Disney Plus Hotstar. The film also stars Bengali actress Rukmini Maitra, Neha Dhupia and Chandan Roy Sanyal among others. Directed by Kanishk Verma, Sanak will be released on October 15th on the auspicious occasion of Dussehra. Along with the announcement, the makers have also unveiled a new movie poster featuring a determined Vidyut holding a baby in one hand and a gun in another. Expressing his excitement, producer Vipul Shah said, "I am very happy to announce the date of Sanak, which we shot under the most difficult circumstances of COVID-19. The sole purpose of putting all the effort was to keep entertaining people, and again, as usual, we have tried to take the action a notch higher than the Commando series. I believe that we have achieved it. I hope audiences feel the same way when they see the action and emotion in Sanak. It will inhabit a very new space in Indian cinema. It's a hostage drama, a genre that has not been explored to its full potential. It would be interesting to see all the action and drama unfold in a hospital under a siege." Sanak Hope Under Siege is presented by Zee Studios in association with Sunshine Pictures Private Limited. It is a Vipul Amritlal Shah production directed by Kanishk Verma. Bollywood action star, best known for the Commando films and exponent of the Kalaripayattu martial art, Vidit Jamwal, and fashion designer Nandita Mahtani, who's Virat Kohli's stylist and who was once married to Delhi-based businessman Sanjay Kapoor, recently visited the Taj Mahal, and their picture together instantly sparked engagement rumors. Vidit and Nandita on Monday confirmed the good news of their engagement with their fans on social media with adorable pictures. In the first picture, Vidit and Nandita are seen doing rock climbing. In the another picture, the couple can be seen holding hands. Vidit captioned the post, "Did it the Commando way." Nandita Mahtani wrote, "Couldn't keep him hanging any longer, said yes." Jamwal has got critical acclaim for his role in the 2020 action thriller film Khuda Hafiz. Nandita Mahtani runs a social network named Playground with actor Dinu Moria. Mahtani has previously been linked with the actor Ranbir Kapoor. Vidyut at present is busy shooting for the sequel Khuda Hafiz Chapter 2. Vidyut recently paid an emotional tribute to his friend Siddharth Shukla.